Renji. Hey, good boy. He likes it in the mountains, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, good boy. Sit. Good boy. Keep on. All right. I ain't scared of no heights. Said I'll walk right to the edge. I'm interested in the sails. Where'd you find that ball? Give me that ball. Where'd it go? You want me to throw it again? Leave it to you. You'll find you a tennis ball. Ready? Shoo. Ready? Shoo. Good boy. He's like, why you keep trying to throw my toys away? I like this ball. Alright, Matt just went to go get some firewood. I gave y'all a little look around the camp while he was gone. He just got back. Damn if he didn't get some firewood. We gotta burn it or leave it or something, because we gotta make room to put all this shit back in the Jeep. But hey, looks like we're gonna have hardwood cooked steaks instead of having to use the charcoal maybe.
Three Brothers Firewood. Kind of said,
Three Brothers Firewood. We'll have to give them a shout out in the video.
It said Camp Firewood, 0.7 miles. As soon as you come, Three Brothers Firewood.
When you grow up, you tend to get told that the world is the way it is, and your your life is just to live your life inside the world, try not to bash into the walls too much, try to have a nice family life, have fun, save a little money. But life, that's a very limited life. Life can be much broader once you discover one simple fact, and that is everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
Even a small pile of wood for whoever stays here next. Clean camp. Dead fire. Leave no trace.
Everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
Everything you'll ever say. There's a moment of panic when I hear the phone ring. Anxiety's calling in my head. Is it back again? Are you back again?
Adrenaline.